is not just a soup. This is heaven in a bowl. Today we're making a lasagna soup, one of my favorite soup of all time. I know it's getting cold outside, so let me show you guys how to make it before I begin. Be sure you hit that video with a thumbs up, girl, because I know you're watching, you're gonna love this video, and let's get started. All right, guys, to begin, we're going to drizzle some olive oil to our pan. We're going to start by adding 1 pound of Italian sausage. I love mixing this with ground beef. It makes the soup so much tastier. This is a pound of ground beef as well. We're just gonna break it just like that. Usually I will discard this right here, but it's all for flavor. My beef is not too fatty, so I'm going in with the onion, and also I'm going in with 2 cloves of minced garlic. We're going to fry that all together. Now, I do have a whole lot of seasoning in here as well, which I'm going to add in. I have chicken bouillon, oregano, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper. I have some pepper flakes in there as well to give it some kick. All right, now we're going in with some tomato paste. This is about 3 tablespoons. We're going to fry that as well. Just fry it. We don't want no raw tomato paste in our soup. Now it's time for me to add my tomato sauce. I'm using roasted garlic parmesan. It's so flavorful. This is perfect when making lasagna as well. So that's why I'm using it for this soup. It is very tasty, okay? Gonna get all this, nothing waste here. Just pour that in, and I'm going in with about 2 cups of chicken broth. Yes, yes, yes. And next you're going in with 1 cup of heavy, well, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Give it a stir. Now I'm going in with my lasagna noodles. Just going to break them. There's no particular way to do this. Just break them and drop them in there. I'm using about 5 of the lasagna noodles. And also I'm going in with some fresh basil, okay? Add that in. Now give it a stir. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. The basil, the oregano. Now we're going to cover it, allow it to boil for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, now we're going to make a ricotta mixture just to add it on top. It adds lots of flavor to the soup, so this is how you do it. We're going in with about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, a little bit of ricotta cheese. Now, if you don't like ricotta, just leave this out, okay? So I'm using about, I'll say 2 ounces of ricotta cheese. And also I'm going in with some parsley and basil, okay? It's up to your liking, however much you want, you can add that in. I'm going to mix that together. Now, if you have mozzarella cheese, oopsie, you can add it to this as well, but that's all I have today, so it's not like it's gonna make or break the soup. So just mix it all together. My mouth is literally watering. I'm ready to eat this soup. All right, guys, our soup is finally ready. It looks so delicious. Oh my goodness. Let me give it a stir so you guys can see. I actually let this simmer on low for about 20 minutes, I would say. I like the noodles to be nice and soft, okay? Now we're just going to plate this beautiful bowl of soup. You guys, this is amazing, and it doesn't take a long time like you would typically when making lasagna. This is easy, delicious, very comforting. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I cannot wait, y'all. Let's give it a try. My mouth is watering. Let's go. Wow. This is by far one of the best soup that's ever existed. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you're watching right now, you have not done so already, please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment if you're going to try this out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. I'm going to enjoy my soup now.